Is the rocket a scam? I want to show you a couple things. You're at my clinic. This is my office. Follow me. I want to take you on a tour. My treatment room 1, this is where I do all of my lady treatments. We just got done with a lady treatment. What I do here is Vivive. I'll do O shots. I do exosome O shots. I do vampire facials, Botox. So this is kind of the room I do that in, all right? Basically what I like to call kind of like the waiting room or the blood draw room. We do have a TV up with some of our little YouTube videos so patients can look at them. But this is where we're gonna draw blood. And then here's our little Medi room. We got Miko. He's doing a little bit of inventory work. And then we're coming back here and we got the lunchroom.
What's up, guys? Hard at work here getting the product out, okay?
We got Jessica taking a call. She's probably on the phone with one of you guys.
Yes.
All right, and then follow me across the hall. So this room is where we have our marketing and we have our sales, advertising for Novus here. Then we've got our consultation room. So this is where the guys will come on in and they talk to them. And then we've got 2 treatment rooms, and really this is where the rocket began, was in these treatment rooms. So what I want you guys to remember is that, you know, for every 10 patients that called us, only 1 was able to come into the clinic. Whether it was because they could afford it, or maybe they, you know, live close enough or don't live close enough, or I had a lot of patients have their wives calling in. You know, and if you're gonna have your wife call in, what makes you think you're gonna come in here and take your pants off, okay, and get treatment? So Dustin and I, you know, were talking about this because it broke my heart. You know, I'm a care provider by nature, so you guys affect me every single day, and I was like, how do I help you guys? And this is why we decided to build the rocket. So I kind of want to show you something else. Come on in. So Nova Wave is what we do here in the clinic. And if you see, it kind of looks similar, a little bit. But, you know, for me, when I'm doing treatments on patients, I don't hold it like a gun. it's weird to me. So I like to hold it in my hand, like this, as I'm doing the treatment. So this is the way I would do my performance. So when we were using or talking about doing the rocket, I said, hey guys, I need this to kind of have that same mentality. I want to hold it in my hand and be able to have a nice firm grip, which is why we created the rocket the way that we did. So every little detail on the rocket has to do with you guys. How do I make this easy for you? How do I make it so that you don't feel like you're not getting a good treatment? Because I want you to feel like you know how to do this and that you're gonna get just as good of a treatment as if I were to do it, okay? So almost done here. We have one more treatment room, same idea, and then staff office where they eat, we do laundry, you know, we gotta have that stuff. So please rest assured, this is not a scam. This is actually coming from a clinic. I've been in family practice for 18 years, and truly I'm a caregiver because I care about you. So if you have any other questions or concerns, just go to getmyrocket.com.
Awesome. Thanks, guys. If you want to learn more, click the link below. Go to getmyrocket.com. Just click the link below. You can learn everything about the rocket and everything that it can do for you down there.